Nah, by the time you done though, like
good love.
okay, you wanna go full song for full song? Yeah, we can do that. Nigga, we can do that. Let's start doing that right now. Okay, we're going to the next song. We're going to the next song, nigga. That's like 10 years old though. That's Akon first song. Closer, how far I go. Oh no! You wanna play? You wanna play our real songs though? You wanna play our real songs though? What you got? You wanna play our real songs?
Do we see on the track? I like this one.
Had to tell John this way I live. Push a big wheel. Spend money, lay low and chill. I think Kill like whole songs, like real chill.
Okay, that's why I got an iPod, bitch.
Nigga, I got an MP3 player. It ain't brand though. I mean, what's up? 128 though.
Alright.
That's like 16 songs right there,
80 gigs though. 80 gigs though.
I ain't white. John White. You light skin, you get real stuff. It's real chill, man. Two niggas in the back. We all listen like whack shit. John take 2 niggas in the front. He take 2 niggas in the back.
You got you there. Remember the song? Is this not my jam? Is this not my jam? Whoa, it's pretty serious.
I'm saying you gotta go to Adventure Slow Random. Let me go to Adventure Slow Random.
What, I mean like this?
No, more like.
I just played that, didn't I?
No, you did not.
I did not just play that. I did not just play that.
You did not just play this, bro.
I did not just play that.
So all of
I did not just play that.
So I'm already ahead of you, bro.
Get him, son, get him. Go ahead. You.
Oh my God. When you see me, holler at your grandmama, nigga.
I'm a deep boy. Yes, I'm a
Why are you guys endorsing this?
But you ain't got that. Oh my God.
Hold on. What's up? But you ain't got this.
Hey!
I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. I bet you ain't got that, nigga.
We searching the repertoire.
No?
Damn, what's old, though?
Oh, right. Oh, I got you.
I'm saying though. I'm saying though. Talking about nasty joints. But it don't get much better than Martin.
What? I got that Marvin. Hold on.
I'm talking about nasty joints though.
You mean this one?
No, you
mean this one? You mean this one?
Whoa! Let it be known on Facebook.
I got y'all.
Got killed by the Marvin.
You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin?